scared me. Tell her the car of your grandchild.
So because she's crying, I should start running. Or maybe start jumping. Or probably start somersaulting because she's crying. That girl, she loves to cry. Let her cry.
I'm struggling with her. She has cried enough that you have to take care of her. Why are you still having that pain in you? Why are you abandoning her and treating her as if she has no one? What does it mean to her?
She has no one. I am not there for her.
Good for you.
Now.
Your grandchild. The child of your late daughter. What can they prefer? Hey, you can't be like that. You have to take care of her now. Your own grandchild.
Ada, I am begging you with everything you hold. Do not try to remind me of what I am trying so hard to forget. That girl is my grandchild. Yes. But she's better off dead than alive.
God forbid, dead than alive. From your mouth.
That girl took everything from me. Abigail was my everything. But they took her away and replaced her with this unfortunate being. And you want me to start running helter-skelter because she's crying?
You can't call an innocent child unfortunate being. Because she's still crying. You can't take care of her. It's not good. She's your grandchild. You can love her.
You won't understand. Like I said, she is better off dead than alive.
No, tell me.
You see the reason why I sent you to that church? Members of that church, they are very, very generous. Imagine the amount of money you made in just this short period. This is good though. This is good.
Mama, I'm hungry.
Chidera, that should be the least thing on your mind now. You're supposed to be bringing suggestions how the night shift should be like. Instead of talking about how hungry you are or that you are hungry.
But Mama, you told me that if I make money, you will give me food. What is this you're holding? Is it no money?
Will you shut up? I'm busy thinking, researching on the church that will be having evening service today so that you can go and beg. Wait, you think this thing you made is money? This is not money, oh. You think this thing can cook for us to eat? Do you know what the economy is saying now?
No matter how little, it can still prepare small food for us now.
Look, I don't want to hit you. I don't want to hit you, Chidera. You will eat later today. At least that one will carry you till tomorrow morning. So go, let me think.
Mama, but I'm hungry now.
Will you disappear from this place? Disappear! Let me think. Let me have time to think and strategize on this your next move. Also, sir. I'm hungry. It's only food you know. You don't know what the economy is saying. I think it's this small money that I will use to prepare. Can he prepare pot of soup? How much? 6,000 naira. I'm hungry. So that they will say I'm wicked. Hey, this is a very good business. She's not useless after all. At least she can now help the family too. Hey. Okay. Stone.
It has good aroma. It must be delicious.
Can give me that nylon. Can sense the aroma. That's all you know.
Chelo? Wait oh.
Wait oh. Wait oh, Chidera. Chelo? Chidera? Why are you back home? And how come you came with just 2,550?
Is that what I need?
What kind of stupid question is that? Why are you back? Asim, is that what I made?
I came back early because I felt it was late. Then I have to find my way back home.
You felt? Or your long throat brought you back home? No. Probably your instinct would have told you that I have finished cooking. Chidera, for coming back home this early and for bringing home 2,550, you will not eat till tomorrow.
Jesus. Mama, but you told me that I'll eat tonight. Why extending it to tomorrow?
That is because you made peanuts and you came back early. Mama, is that food?
That's all.
Hey, Ada.
Eh?
Thank you for coming to check on us. Yeah? And thank you for the bread you bought for today.
What are friends for? I went to the market. I saw the bread and juice. I said, it would be wise if I buy it for Chidera.
You know I can't say no. If it were to be something else, I would have rejected it. But it's food. But you know Chidera, you are saying, she has eaten 2 times today.
Hey! Umuaka, you know them now. They can eat. What is it? Bread and juice. It's just appetizer. No problem. Dede. Continue. Oh, good girl.
Hold it right there. If you cut one more bread into that your mouth, I will make sure it's your last. Chidera, you are eating bread and juice as what? So you told her you have not eaten. Ekwa?
No, Mama. I did not.
No, Mama. I did not. So who told her? Eh? Why did she buy bread for you? Why did she not buy for other people?
No, Mama. Mama, please, I'm hungry.
You are hungry? That is all you know. Eh? Chidera, this is how you keep disgracing me in this village. We shall see. I will make sure I deal with you. Come on, give me that bread. Come on, that bread. And one here. Oh, blind. I'll go outside.
Uncle, hope you're alright, Jikin. Good afternoon.
Did you just call my name? How did you know my name?
I might not be seeing, but my ear is here. Is your name not Obiora?
My name is Obiora.
You have a shop where you fix vehicles, right?
You are correct.
Go to your workshop. A man is coming there to fix his car. What happened to his car is a minor issue. He'll pay you the money for your shop rent. Go now.
God. Sorry, I'm already dressed for a friend's birthday party. But then, how do you know my name? Know that I own a mechanic shop? And how do you know that I need money to pay for my shop rent?
Go now. If he comes to your shop and he doesn't see you, he will go back and he won't give you the money again.
Okay.
Go now. And he's almost close there. Run!
How far? Did you see her?
No, I didn't see her. See, but then everything happened the way she said it.
Okay.
I got to the shop. I saw the car. The car had a minor issue of carburetor. I told the man the exact amount he needed to pay. He paid it without uttering a word. He went straight into his car, brought out his phone, made the transfer to me, and then hands over his car keys to me. He left. Few hours when I was done fixing the car, he came back and carried his car, and that was it.
Wait, let me ask you. Did you tell him it was carburetor issue?
No, I didn't tell him. I only told him the exact amount he needed to pay me for me to get what is required to fix the car. And that was it.
Hi! This is miracle.
I'm telling you, man.
Guy! Like, he transferred the money to you, just like that.
Without uttering a word. Funny enough, I told this man the exact amount I needed for the shop rent. He paid it to me. Something that I have been hustling for years to gather.
Of course, I know.
Knowing fully well that the landlord will be coming in 2 days to chase us out.
Hi! Are you still with the money?
What should I be doing with the money? I've transferred it to the landlord.
Hi.
He'll be coming in 2 days to give us the receipt.
This is good news.
I'm telling you.
I've not heard of this kind of thing for a very long time. Just like that.
The worst part is that I went back to the same spot that I met this girl, but I couldn't find her. It's shocking knowing fully well that I go to church almost every time. How come I have not noticed that girl? She even mentioned my name.
Listen.
Looking at her, I now noticed that it was a little blind beggar.
Okay, listen, let me tell you something. God works in a different way. He works in a mysterious way. Can you imagine somebody you don't know from anywhere called your name in full like you said? You should be grateful. And every single thing she said worked. We should be happy. We should be happy because no more landlord coming to the shop to disturb us anymore.
Yeah, it's true. But then, I feel like I need to find her. At least to share this good news with her. But regardless, I'm happy. At least I'm relaxed.
That's what
now.
you should be saying now.
So, now I can call Evans to apologize for not attending his birthday party.
You do what exactly? Call Evans. To apologize for what? Oga, we can still go for the birthday party. It's not late. The birthday party starts from 6 p.m. and it's not even up to 6. Oh, you're not even aware? Okay, you're not late. We just dress up and go there. We should be happy and celebrating.
I won't dress her.
Oga! Hey! Good news! Mama. Good news!
Chidera, don't tell me you didn't go out as I instructed you before going out.
Grandma, I'm sick.
And so? How is it my business if you are sick? Is that the reason why you did not go out to hustle? Eh, Chidera? Oh no! You think I will use my eyeballs to buy medication for you? Better stand up there and go out, oh.
Grandma, I'm sick. And my bones are weak. And besides, I haven't eaten anything.
Hey, now you are talking. You would have told me that you are hungry instead of pretending to be sick.
Grandma, I'm sick. And I'm also hungry.
In that case, you have to choose one. Either food or medication. Because I cannot give you both when you have not brought in anything reasonable into this house.
Grandma, I beg you. Yeah.
Hey, yeah. You see this your pretty face? It can't move me. It won't shake me. Look, since your mother, my own daughter, was laid to Mother Earth, I sold my conscience. So you see this your face? I am hungry. It can't move me. Better package yourself. Stand up and go out there and go and hustle. Hustle for your medication. Let me know it's food I'm taking care of. Or if possible, hustle for the food and for the medication. I don't even have anyone to give to you. Did you hear me?
Grandma, I beg you.
Wait, oh. Are this not my wrapper? Are you sure you are blind, this girl? Sometimes I begin to imagine if you are really blind. Because how can you go to my room, bring out my wrapper, lay it on the ground, and lie down claiming that you are sick? You see, I am beginning to suspect you. Are you sure you are not deceiving us? Eh, Chidera? Let me not come back here and meet you. Better go out there and go and hustle. I don't want to hear I am sick and weak. Better go out, oh.
I've searched everywhere for this girl. Where will I see this mysterious blind girl that gave me prophecy and it came to pass? At least if not for anything, let me just appreciate her. God, I just hope our path crosses again.
Chidera. If you like, give Chidera food from now till tomorrow. She will never be filled. Please leave her.
Lord, you know children hardly lie. If she's filled, she won't be eating this food like this.
Wait, so I'm the one lying?
No.
No, you are trying to tell me that I don't give my grandchild food.
Mba, no.
Or is it because you brought food for her?
No, that is not what I mean. Wagu asked him that she has malaria. And then Mama Nina, that is what I'm saying.
I thought as much.
No.
Huh? Take it easy, so you don't choke.
Hey, she won't get truth. I didn't add pepper because I know she was going to eat from it.
Thank you.
What our friends for. Hey.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you, Grandma.
Oh, you are blessed.
She is blessed.
Who are you referring to?
Tell Auntie Lovina she is blessed. In no time, she will conceive and give birth to twins.
Who told you about her and how did you know her name?
Her pains is over.
I made the blessed. I will come back for my plate.
Okay.
You know go?
Okay.
Oh.
Chidera, so once you eat and you are full, the next thing you start seeing vision. Do you know the consequences of what you just said? Lovina has been married for 15 good years without a child. Just because she gave you food, you open your mouth, wow, and start spitting out nonsense from your mouth, all in the name of prophecy. I pity you. If you were not my grandchild, If you put me in trouble, this girl, if you put me in trouble.
I don't think she's human.
Why would you say that?
I have been to the same spot that I met this girl twice. She is nowhere to be found. I have gone as far as going to places where there are beggars. Yet, I can't find her.
I know this is strange. But why are you so much interested in this girl? But the truth is that everything she told you came to manifestation. You saw it with your own eyes. It happened. So, if you cannot find her, then let her be.
Why am I convinced in my heart that there is something about this girl that I need to know?
Let me ask you, something like what?
I can't place it for now. But I really need to find this girl and at least show my appreciation because she deserves it. Yes, I was at the verge of losing everything. Suddenly, things that I do for little money was paid for heavily and I was able to clear my debt. That's enough reason to at least see her and show appreciation.
Listen, Obiora, I know all this you're saying. But the truth is, since you cannot find the girl to show her your gratitude, we can take your gratitude to the streets where you find those beggars. Give it to them. Must it be that girl? She is nowhere to be found. Then let's forget about her and do something else. God just wants to use her and that is it.
It's not that easy, Osita. But it's fine. I'll give it more time. If I can't find her, then I will do as you suggested.
You give it more time. You even asking for more time. Anyways, as a friend, that is the only advice I can give to you. Leave this girl alone. Leave her. There are so many ways to show appreciation. Let her be. Like I've said before. Please. Hey, how far did Mr. John brought for the car? Has he gotten to that? No problem. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon, ma.
Oga, who are you?
I came to show appreciation to your granddaughter
Hey.
for the prophecy that she gave to me, which saved my life. But I gave her this, but she refused to collect it.
Thank you so much.
It's just a token of appreciation.
Thank you so much. But just in case of next time, I am the one that received gifts for her. So next time you bring it directly to me.
Okay, ma.
Thank you.
Thank you,
God
ma.
bless you.
God bless you too.
God bless
ma.
you.
Please help me and thank her. She saved my life. Thank you, ma.
Bye-bye, sir. I don't understand the mystery behind your blindness. How can you dictate someone's location without hitting an object? What do you want?
Mama, please forgive me if I've done anything to you. Please.
Chidera, you have to beg your chief to forgive you and not me. Your bed took my most precious gift and left me with an incurable pain.
Mama, I'm your grandchild. I'm not the cause of this blindness.
Neither am I the cause of your blindness. Pico, leave me alone. Eh? Leave me. Go away and stop disturbing me with this, Mama. Please forgive me.
Please. Mama, please.
The mystery behind my birth is so divine, but yet a sad one. Making me pass through so much pain and torture. A fate I accepted with a heart of love, knowing that there is always a bright side to life.
Okay, Obiora, is that what you?
I feel so grateful.
It's me.
You're happy, aren't you?
Yes, I am happy. But how did you know?
Like I told you, I might be blind to see, but my heart is sensitive.
Yes, you are right. Everything worked according to how you instructed. I have paid my landlord. I have searched everywhere for you to give you the good news, but you were nowhere to be found.
I'm sorry, Uncle, but I've been sick. But I'm fine.
Thank God. Please, what is your name and where do you stay?
My name is Chidera, but you can call me Dera. Anyone you want.
Dera, okay. I'll call you anything you prefer, okay? Where is your house?
My house is not that far.
Okay. Dera, I just want to show my appreciation for the prophecy you gave. I want you to follow me to my shop so I can buy you food.
I can't go with you, Uncle. I'm sorry. Today I need to raise money. More.
Money? Dera, I insist, okay? I want you to come with me to my shop. I want to make you happy. I promise I will buy you anything. In fact, I will give you plenty money. Okay? You're my friend. Okay?
Okay.
You're my friend.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, no. Let's go. You eat like someone who hasn't eaten for days. Hope everything is okay with you. Okay, I will allow you when you're done eating. We can talk. Do you want me to help you? I knew something was wrong watching you eat the way you did. But my question is, what grandmother will subject her grandchild to this kind of suffer and public exposure at your age?
I don't know. But I feel she changed.
You are so smart and intelligent. I have never seen anyone in this situation as smart as you are.
Really? Am I so smart?
Yes, you are. You're very smart.
Although my grandmother always says I'm a special child.
Yes, I agree with her. Tara, I want you to stop begging. Okay? See, I want you to come to the shop anytime you go out to beg. I'll make sure that I buy you food and I'll give you money at the end of the day. But only if you show me your house.
That idea will worsen my situation at home.
Okay, let's do it this way. I want you to come to my shop each time you go out to beg. Okay? When you come, I'll make sure that I buy you food and I will take very good care of you. In fact, at the end of every day, I will give you money. What do you say?
Thank you. You have saved me a lot.
It's okay. You deserve it. Where are you going?
This is more like it. Eh? This is what I am talking about. See plenty money. Wow. Hey. Eh? Eh. Anytime you come back home with good money like this, it makes me happy. Eh? Hey.
To what end, Grandma?
Did she just say to what end? It will not end. It will not end though. After all, you killed my only daughter that is supposed to be taking care of me. Now you have to take care of me the way she ought to have taken care of me. You are asking me to what end? Just know that it will not end. How when she left, during that period she was taking pills for abortion. Hey! This one is cool. Now she is working. She has been playing. I think she has started learning some new strategies on the street that is bringing this amount of money. Hey! God. This is good. This is good. It will not end. Okay, all this money. Okay, she goes out now, I'll be confident something good is coming. Like I said before, you are not useless after all.
This is unbelievable. How can her grandmother subject her to that level? To the point of begging? How come?
Yeah, that girl is so smart and intelligent. Do you know this girl left my workshop without my help? Like, she went home without my help.
Wait, you said she's at the range of 6 to 7 years old. So how come she's this careful?
Her blindness marvels me. You know, sometimes I keep asking God, if truly He created this girl for a purpose.
My brother, some questions I better not ask. Because God knows the best. Honestly.
I'm just confused.
You are not as confused as I am. You are not. I would never believe it if somebody has said that to me until you were the one that told me what she said. How can her own grandmother subject her at her age to start walking on the road blind? What if anything has happened to that girl? This is wickedness. It is pure wickedness. God forbid. Hi.
Okay, Obiara, call. Don't wait a second, just come, please.
Dara, what just happened?
I saw the car falling on top of you. And what was that sound for?
It was exactly the way you said it. Immediately I pulled out of under the car. What's that? You almost fell on me. I saw it now. Hey. But Dara, how did you know?
I saw the car when they wanted to fall on top of me. And this plan has been from the devil. The devil have been planning for it to happen since.
God forbid. God forbid. Never happened. Thank you very much, Dara. God bless you. Hi. Thank you. Dara, you don't have to thank me. I owe you every gratitude, every appreciation. Of course. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
It might not be seen, but my heart is sensitive.
I agree with you. It's true. My weakness. But you change the promises. I don't need that. Dara, I'm coming, okay? Wait. Let me get the money and understand.
The mystery behind my birth is so divine.
Dara,
But yet a sad one.
I changed this money into different denomination because I do not want your grandmother to find out. Here is it. Hold on, let me put it. Let me put it inside the nylon.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You don't have to thank me, okay? I should be the one thanking you. Let me walk you home. Okay?
No.
Huh?
It's okay. I don't want my grandma to find out somebody walked me. She will shout.
Are you sure you'll be okay?
Yes. Sandra Freeman.
Who are you and how did you know my name?
My name is Chidera. Or you can call me Dara. This visit will not favor you. But I will advise you to go back home now.
I don't get why?
You don't need to ask me so many questions. Go home now. When you get home, you will see the reasons. Go.
So this man wanted to use me for ritual. How wish I didn't listen to the little girl? What would have been my fate? What would have happened to me? Like, he wanted to use me to... God! I don't even know what to do. I'm just... And the little girl said her name is Chidera. I don't even know where to find her, to thank her. I don't know if she... I believe she lives around there. Maybe I will have to ask to know if anybody knows her house so that I can go to thank her. God, I'm just so scared, like...
Very surprised. Do you know that I imagine how she knows things before it happened?
I said, I have never seen anyone like that before. At her age, she's mysterious, smart and intelligent.
Hey, I just want to ask you one question. Have she in any way tell you something about her biological parents? Because all you keep telling me is her grandmother this, her grandmother that. What about her parents, her original parents? Or biological parents? What about them?
I don't know, I've not asked her. But I think her parents are not in town. You know how these rich people behave. When they give birth to a child like that, they prefer to send her over to her grandparents. So they live together.
I don't believe in this thing you're saying. Guy, this girl doesn't have rich parents. Which rich parents will leave their child to go about begging on the streets at her age? What are you even saying? Guy, it's not possible. Like us in this thing, it's not possible.
Osita, what do you want me to think? No, tell me, what do you want me to think? Anyway, I'll ask her to know more about her parents.
Ask her. At least let's know. Ask her.
But this girl, she really saved me.
If
she wasn't there, I wonder what would have happened.
I was there and I saw everything. Oh, glory to God, I swear. Do you know what would have happened to you? Huh. I am so surprised.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
I'm very well, thank you, ma'am. Sorry, I'm looking for one blind girl.
Oh, Chidera. She's my grandchild.
Yes, I remember. That's the name she told me. Is she around?
No, she went out.
Oh, okay. I brought this little token to appreciate her for saving my life.
Hi. Thank you so much. Thank you. I love people like you that knows how to appreciate.
If not for her, I would have been dead by now.
Yeah.
Although she refused showing me her house, I had to trace her.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. God bless her for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma.
God bless you too.
All right, bye-bye, ma.
Bye-bye. Hey. Hey. This little girl is wicked. How can she be giving out prophecies for free? Chidera, I have to do something about this. Eh? How can she be giving out prophecies for free?
You're wondering the kind of person I am, right?
How do you mean?
You want to know everything about me, right?
I still don't understand.
Curiosity. You are curious. I can hear everything in your voice.
Yes, I want to know everything about you.
Okay. You see, I can read your mind from your heartbeats. Wait, let me finish eating, okay? Am I recording?
Chidera, it is time we utilize this gift you have. Since you have decided to be giving out prophecies for free, and not accepting any gifts in return. I have decided to open a branch in this house where you will give prophecies and I will collect money in return.
No, I can't.
You see, it is your stupidity that is making you not to accept gifts. Look, whenever anybody meets you on the way, from now, refer them back to this house. Do I make myself clear?
Nne, please.
Okay. Wait until I start having customers. I will personally go out and advertise to everybody. New business idea has come. So whether you like it or not, you will see for them and I will collect money. I can see that you are a very wicked child. You don't want me to eat. You don't want me to feed. So why don't you? Whether you like it or not.
Can I find this mysterious blind girl and at least appreciate her for the prophecy she gave me that worked? I don't even know what to ask about her. God, please, let our path cross again so I will at least appreciate her. Why would your grandmother subject you to start lying? Because she wants to be collecting money from people. Does she think that prophecy comes like that?
She keeps collecting money from them and forcing me to say what I don't see.
God, what mother in her right senses would treat a child like this? Your mother was the only child she has. And the only child she has now, she's treating her badly.
My mother thinks I'm useless because I'm blind. She keeps saying I killed my mother.
God. People with their reasoning. How can a mother accuse a little child of killing her mother at child's birth? How does that make sense?
This is what she always says.
Look, Dara, you are not useless. Okay? Look, a lot of people have come across you and so many things would have happened to them, but you saved them. I am a living testimony. You saved my life. You are a virtue unto honor. So don't mind your grandmother, okay?
Thank you. You are like a father and brother to me.
Dara, you are not just a friend. You are a daughter, my savior, and my little sister. Let me go and buy food for you, okay?
The mystery behind my birth is so divine, but yet a sad one. Making me pass through so much pain and torture. A fate I accepted with a heart of love, knowing that there is always a bright side to life. I feel so grateful, yeah. But each time I see no one to hold my hand.
Okay, Obiara, please sit.
Huh?
God has remembered you.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
A man is coming here and he wants to fix his car. And today he will make you rich.
Amen. I believe you. How is that possible?
I'm only a messenger. Let the will of God be done.
Amen.
And also, tell your friend to be careful with what he eats, and he will not be able to survive it.
Guy.
Hi!
What is it?
Chai!
What happened?
Chai!
Yeah.
Do you know that that call you called, saved my life?
Save your life, I don't understand.
I was here, relaxing. Obi called me on the phone. I should come to her house, that she has something special for me. Out of the willingness of my heart, I left. Only for me to get to her place, she served me food. Immediately she served the food, your call came in. I told her, let me go and answer the call. I left. Did you know I left? Immediately I came back, the food has poured on the ground. The dog that fed on the food died instanter.
Are you serious?
Am I acting movie? This is not movie. It happened in my own eyes. I was surprised. I was dumbfounded. I didn't know what to say. I am not joking.
Osita, it wasn't my call that saved you, but the message.
Hi!
Let's be thankful to God that you are alive.
Chidera saved my life. Honestly speaking, she saved me. My plan is, after seeing her, I will come to the shop. Who knows? I would have died on my way coming to the shop. Hi! My body is shaking. As I'm talking to you right now, I don't even know what to think, how to imagine it, that she will ever want me dead. Hi!
The question is, why will Obi want you dead?
If you ask me, who will I ask? No, tell me. If you ask me this question, tell me who will I ask? What haven't I done for her? She woke up one morning and chose to kill me. If not for the prophecy that came through you. Tell me, how would I have known that by this time or before now I would have been a dead man? Or because of food? Hi, Osita! Osita, look at what food would have done to you. Hi! Thank you very much. In fact, I am grateful to you because had it been you heard the message, only God would have known.
Osita, I don't think I should take the glory that does not belong to me. God used Chidera to save your life.
This is unbelievable. Please, when next she comes to the shop, even if I'm not there, call me. I will leave whatever thing I'm doing. I will run down to the shop to show my gratitude. Because she deserves it. Hi! Hi!
You see why I said you are a wicked girl? You are very wicked. So you decide to be giving prophecy to those that will not appreciate you. Eh? Now that I've turned it for monetary value, you have refused to see. Eh, kwa? I will so punish you today that you will regret ever having me as your grandmother. And even in your next word, you will wish you never had a grandmother like me. Better start seeing now. Better start seeing for my clients or I will kill you here.
Mama, I can't say what I didn't see. I'm only but a messenger.
Oh, so you prefer to see for others and disobey your own grandmother? Hi.
Mama, it's not like that. God gives messages and I deliver it.
Now listen to me. Chidera, whether you like it or not, you must see today. Either by God's power or by mystic power. Whoever it is or whatever it is that is giving you that vision, better start calling on them to show you vision. Else I will kill you here. You see, this is my business. It must boom. You will not fall this business that took me everything to build. Better start seeing. Don't mama me again, no. Better start seeing. No, I'll kill you here. I think I'm joking with you. Better start seeing, no. You wicked child. Better start seeing. You will not spoil this business.
Mama, please.
Mama, please, for what? The only means I have to make money, you want to spoil it. You are a very wicked girl. Better start seeing now. Better start calling on them. Better start saying, oh, I would just destroy you here. One. Start saying one. Start saying two. Start saying. Chidera. Oh God. Chidera. Hey. This house will not contain me and you today. Better just wherever that power is coming from, start calling on them. Because I will make sure I finish shooting each other. You will sleep outside. You will sleep outside. If you don't see for my clients, you will sleep outside. Or I will kill you.
Mama, I'm not seeing anything.
Oh, you are blind. You want you want double blindness. You are not seeing anything. Better start seeing now. Better start seeing now. This blindness. This. See, even Bible said that the gift of a man makes room for him. Let this gift begin to speak for you now. Better start seeing. This girl, you are wicked. You are wicked. If you don't prophesy now, I will kill you here.
Are you done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
You know, I've been to other mechanics in this town. They will tell me they are done. They have fixed the car. And in 2 days' time, it will spoil again. I hope you're done for real.
Sir, in my workshop, things like that don't happen. I'll fix the car. You don't have to worry about it.
Fix the car. I don't have to worry about it. So we'll give it a try then.
Let's give it a try, sir.
I like that. So how much is it?
23,000 naira, everything.
23,000? Wow. Okay. Give me your account detail.
1400 3431 62. Access Bank.
Access.
Yes, sir.
Done. So thank you so much.
Right. Thank you very much, sir.
I don't want to come back here.
No, sir. I'm confident it won't happen again. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Please come back next time.
For good.
Yes, sir. For good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, young man. How are you? You see, I came with an offer of an opportunity to work with the Transcom Auto Workshop for 3 months. You see, this opportunity will give you enough that you need to expand your business. The offer is lucrative. The money involved is lucrative. I'm the one in charge of Transcorp in Abuja. I've been in this town for 3 weeks. And for 3 weeks, I've been looking for who to fix this car until I got to this workshop. So, if you're interested in the offer, I will give you my number. Meet me at the office tomorrow morning.
Sir, I was actually scared when I saw you drove in. I thought the fault started again.
No, not at all. It's perfectly okay. The car is okay.
Sir,
yeah.
I'm very much interested in the opportunity, sir. It will be an honor to serve this company.
Then good. That's a deal. So, see you tomorrow morning then.
Excuse sir. Sir, yeah, sir. I don't even know your office, and I don't have your number, sir.
That's true. Let me have your phone. I'll give you my number.
I'm coming.
Zero 334 86 713.
713. All right, thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
10 o'clock.
I'll call you, sir.
10 o'clock.
Thank you, sir. Hey! Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir. God bless you. God bless you, sir. God bless you, sir. Dera said it. Dera said it. Hey! Apekasigom. See, if I make this money, this is my landlord. I'll buy the whole of this place.
Ada, honestly, this travel looks good on you. You will go again.
Hey! Hey! It's well. I walked into your compound and I saw people sitting there. I asked innocently. They said they were waiting for their own prophecy. And now, are you not a prophetess?
Ada. Must you ask questions in everything? Look, some things are better left in the dark.
You know what? I walked into your compound and I saw people sitting there. You don't want me to ask. But that's possible. Anyway, no problem. Biko, where's Chidera, my daughter?
Chidera went to buy me something.
How? I don't understand. Chidera went to buy you something. What?
Is there anything wrong in Chidera going to buy me something? Because they give me gist about your travel to the city now to see your daughter.
If you go there, like as you said, you can see that I'm glowing. It went well. Haneta manyo puma. Manarapi go that one. Like I said, Chidera went to buy you something. Supposing something happens to her.
Ada, you don't know Chidera. Chidera is mysterious. Chidera can see more than you.
How do you mean?
Chidera might be physically blind, but spiritually, her eyes are open more than ours put together. Nothing will happen to Chidera, I know. Is that why you don't want to give me what you brought for her?
Okay. Thank God you said I brought it for her, not you. If you want yours, come to my house. After all,
hey! So Chidera has finally bewitched my friend.
Yes, so I'm under her spell. Happily, comfortably, no problem. Happily,
Hey! Wait, so you will not give me this thing?
More, take this thing.
Where's
Chidera? Are you Chidera?
Okay.
Hey, thank you very much for the other day, okay? Your message delivered me. It saved me. Honestly. Thank you very much.
All thanks to God. I'm just a messenger.
That's true. But I don't know. Obiora has taken too long. He's supposed to be back by now. Eh?
Don't worry about him. He's in safe hands.
But how do you know?
I might not be saying, but my heart is sensitive.
Okay, I was doing something when you came in, so what will I offer you so as you can wait for him to come back? while I continue what I'm doing?
Nothing. I'm just filled with joy. I'm okay.
You don't want anything?
Yes.
Okay, just sit here and wait for Biora, okay? Let me go and continue what I'm doing. Thank you very much. Just wait, okay? We'll soon be back.
The mystery behind my birth is so divine.
Dara.
Welcome, Auntie.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
My daughter is so happy. She sends her regard. She also gave me this to give you.
Thank you very much. I'm grateful.
You don't have to say that. She's the one very grateful. Those clothes are very beautiful.
Yes, I can feel it. Especially the one down. Auntie, are you surprised? Don't be, okay?
Okay. Okay. Hey. Dara. No.
That's all.
Good afternoon, Dara.
Okay, we'll be at the other side, huh?
The mystery behind my birth is so divine, but yet a sad one. Making me pass through so much pain and torture. A fate I accepted with a heart of love. Knowing that there is always a bright side to life. I feel so grateful.
Alpha.
One more.
So you're jubilating.
Hey, God.
Guy, tell me, play me the gist. How did it go? Koala, what's in the salt?
From my body countenance, you should know. Everything went perfect. One, exactly the way they were prophesied.
Chai!
I am so happy that I don't even know what to say.
Chai!
Makachukwu kanawari.
Money.
Ego.
There is nothing that makes me happy than the word money. See, if this kind of money is involved, why didn't they ask the both of us to come? It's not the same work we're doing. So we can go there and do the job fast and make it easier. You would have asked for 2 people so I can go with you, guy.
Calm down now. One person has to go and smooth in the
I
whole
understand.
thing.
I was just joking. Oh, I am so happy for you. I'm so happy for you. Even Dara came to the shop today looking for you. I told her that you went to the man's office.
Really?
Yes, now I told her that you went to the office where you were invited.
It's so sad that I can't see her right now. I have to start preparation for this job because it starts immediately.
Are you serious?
Kinako.
Guys, you're leaving tomorrow or today?
I said contract starts immediately. So I would see Dara when I come back. The only thing I need you to do for me is tell Dara about the recent development. Tell her that I will see her once I return.
Yeah, but even at that now, that will not stop you to rush down to Dara's house and see her. Since you said you traced her and know where she stays. So the best thing you will do, go to her house and see her. And tell her about yourself. Seeing you alone, hearing from you will make her more happier.
I know.
Honestly.
I know. Osita, Dara will be fine. Please, the only thing I need you to do, tell her about the development.
Okay.
And help me take very good care of her.
No problem. You don't have any problem about that. I'll tell her. She will come and I'll tell her. Yes. Listen, I want to advise you something. Okay. What I want to tell you is that when you go there, take good care of yourself. Remember, as an Igbo men are ambitious in nature. They are focused and determined. When you get to the place you're going to, focus. Do the work. Strive. Be hardworking. Be determined. The major thing in all these things I'm saying right now is grabbing the ego. Money is important. Once you get it, every other thing is settled. So go and get the money. Get it the way it is. Don't leave anything. Don't leave any stone unturned, because once you become a governor, I am a governor. A friend of a rich man is a rich man. So once you're rich, my brother, I am rich. Do you understand? So when you go there, get it and bring it back.
I never knew you were a counselor. Are you actually giving me this advice based on friendship or market good involved?
Money motivates. This language you told me now has motivated me. Even this name, I don't even have it. I knew it. I knew that once that girl says something, the next thing will start happening. Chai. I am happy for you. In fact, I am coming to help you to pack.
My daughter is so happy. She can't wait to see her. Do you know what? That prophecy she gave her worked.
But where is the money she gave you to give to her now?
You didn't see the clothes she brought?
I don't understand. Clothes? Am I going to take the clothes to the market to buy something so that we can eat? Okay, what of me that I've been taking care of her? What did she bring for me?
Chikwala, don't tell me you're using that girl to make money. Okay. Oh. So she was the one those people I met the other time you're waiting for. Now. What do you know? She's just an innocent child. What have you done her to?
Am I not also an innocent grandmother? Look, things are expensive. Prophecy should also be bought. Yes. Do you expect us to just carry empty hands to go to the market like that? She's giving the prophecy. The money should be coming so that we'll eat and she's sure she can even see more. Now.
Hey! When did you become like this? Don't bring down God's wrath upon yourself. And I am not in support of what you are doing.
And there's something I want to tell you, but I don't know how to say it. Just that I feel like I should say it to you. I'll be going to Port Harcourt tomorrow. Yes, I have a job in Port Harcourt to do. I'll be spending like 2 months. But my only problem is that I'm just worried.
Worried about what?
I'm worried about you.
You don't need to be worried about me. Good things are happening to my friends.
Yes, I know that good things are happening to us. That is the prayer of everybody to see good things happen to them. But no problem. We'll be back, okay? Very soon. Obiora and I owe you a whole lot of goods. In fact, if we return back, then we have spent every time that you have been alone, we'll cover it up. We'll make sure that we'll take care of you. Okay?
Uncle Osita, you just want to make me to smile.
You got me in this, Abi. You now want to make you smile. See, I always want to make you smile because you have been a blessing to Obiora and I. Ever since we come across with you, everything good has been happening to us, okay? But listen, if this today you're in this shop, I don't want you to tell me, no, I must buy you food and you will eat it.
Okay.
Fine, that is what I want to hear. So just relax, calm down, I'll get you fried rice and chicken. I'll get you something chill to step it down. Okay? I'm coming.
Just want to make me to smile. Go sit down. Mama, please, I'm hungry.
Chidera, I will not give you food. Since you have decided not to beg, and you have decided not to give anybody prophecy, when I ask you, Chidera, when I tell you, see prophecy, you will tell me, Mama, it doesn't work like that. Now you are in need of my food. Chidera, it doesn't work like that.
I'm only a messenger.
Chidera, tell those people that are sending you messages that they should send you plenty messages because you are in need now. You need food and I need money to buy the food that you will eat. So tell them to bring plenty messages for you so that when you see for people, then they will give us money. Then you can eat. More money, more messages, more money. MM.
Mama, I don't want to die.
Ha! Chidera, that is your best option now. Chidera, die. Die so that I will wrap it. No. Wrapping you is giving you honor. So that I will just fling you to the grave next to your mother's own like a piece of rag that you are. Just die so that you will be free from this whole trouble. Me too, I will have peace. You are still standing here.
Mama.
You are still standing here. Chidera, go and beg. Go and beg. That is what blind people do. Are you not blind? Go and beg and help this family. Why are you wicked? Now listen. You will go out there and go and hustle. You will go and beg and make money. And if you come back with little money, I will not give you food still. Just wait for me. I am coming.
Dara, how are you?
I'm fine.
It surprises me how you can identify someone. It's been a while. So what's going on? What's wrong? Dara, what happened?
Just go. I'm fine. I'll be fine.
I don't understand. Dara, whatever thing that hurts you must be something great. What is it?
I'm fine. Just go. I'll be okay.
I can't leave you in this mood. Eh? Dara, see, you saved my life. You don't know how it means to me. I don't know what would have happened to me if you didn't stop me. Allow me to be part of your life. I will do anything to make you happy.
I didn't save your life.
I don't understand.
The Bible says, wisdom is profitable to direct.
I know. Huh? This is wickedness. How can a mother treat her offspring like this? Even in your condition.
God knows the best.
Dara, please, let me be part of your life. You know, after our encounter, I became a newborn. I chose to follow the righteous path and forsake the negative things of life.
It's okay.
What is it?
The hour has come. I have to go home.
Okay, let me walk you home.
Don't worry. I'll find my way back home. God will bless you. No, don't worry. May God bless you. I'll find my way back home.
Knowing that there is always a bright side to life. I feel so grateful. Yeah. But each time I see no one to hold my hand in my times of pain, and then I cry.
Good evening. My name is Obiora, and I'm here to see little Chidera.
Chidera is my granddaughter, but she went out.
Ma, please, what I came for is very important. I would want her present to... I want her to be here while I say what I came for.
In that case, you can leave the message with me. It's safe. Like I told you, I'm her grandmother.
I know, but I'm not in a hurry. I can actually sit and wait for her to return. If you don't mind.
Okay. Chidera is here.
Chidera! My love. How are you? I have missed you so much. Guess what?
What is it?
The company I work for do offer scholarship to disabled people and the blind to study abroad. So when the scheme for the scholarship came up, I filled the form for you. And to the glory of God, your name was selected.
Wait, I don't understand you. What do you mean?
Dara, you remember the day you told me that you wanted to be a surgeon? It occurred in my heart that this is my only opportunity and the only way to say thank you to you for everything you have done for me.
I still don't understand.
Well, Dara has been selected to go to the school of Perkins. It's actually the school of blind. And it's the best you can find in the world.
Huh?
Yes. She will be sponsored from her nursery to a master's degree. That is if she wants.
Thank you, Uncle.
You don't have to thank me. Like I said, this is my only way to say thank you to you. And not only that, the school will be paying the family 50,000 naira every month. Yes.
What is happening here?
Ada! Dora, oh, God has remembered my family. Hey! Chidera. Sir, please, can you repeat what you said earlier?
I said, Chidera here has been selected to go to Peking School for the blind. It is one of the best schools in the world. It does not just end there. She will be trained from her nursery to her degrees level, that is if she wants.
Hey!
And also, the school will be paying the family 50,000 naira every month for their upkeep.
Ada. God has finally remembered my family. God has remembered my family.
Even my daughter Lovette sent 1 million naira for her upkeep.
It's again
1 million naira, 1 million.
Hi. Dara. Chidera, I am very sorry. Please, forgive me. I am very sorry. I am very sorry for all the harm I brought to you. When you were born blind, I was heartbroken. I didn't have another child. And the only one I had left a blind child for me. I thought my life was over. I thought it has ended with me. But I didn't know that God has a special plan for you. I didn't know you were special. I didn't know you were created for a purpose. Please, my daughter, find a place in your heart to forgive me.
It's not your fault.
It is my fault. I would have accepted you. But no, I didn't.
I told you.
Now God has shown me that He is the greatest.
I told you. I told you. Agwa. As well.
Ma, she needs to come with me now so she can take passport photograph for the documents she's supposed to fill. Yeah, because all that document is ready. So she has to come with me. Then much later, I will get the document that you need to sign and fill in your account details for the upkeep money. And when she's back, please, you have to prepare her because our flight to Lagos is by 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Hi. So, I won't see her again. I'm already missing her.
Everything happens for good. Yes.
Reason.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. May God
has
bless you.
remembered you.
Dara.
Oh, Dara. Dara, my daughter.
This world there, don't look down on anybody. Do not look down on anybody.
So ma, I hope she can go with me like this.
Sir, I will follow you people. We will go together.
I need to take passport.
To take passport. Hi.